I'm Mrs. Burr from the Kimball Library, and I'm here again to do another craft with you. And I thought today we would make a spinner, which is a fun toy to use inside the house or out. And it's made with a string, paper, cardboard, and of course your crayons or magic markers to color your picture. And then we're ready to roll. And that's exactly what this spinner does. I'll show you before we start. We just take the string, spin it forward, round and round and round, and then we let it pull until it starts to twist and move, and it'll get tighter and tighter. And as it moves, it'll make a noise, and it will go very fast. You'll see as you try it. There it goes. There it goes. Faster and faster. There. And if you do it fast enough, it'll hum. So let's begin. What we need to make our spinner is cardboard. And I've used a cereal box again because it's easy to cut. That's why I like it. So I've taken one side of the cereal box, and then I found this container, which I thought would be perfect to make a circle. And with my pen or pencil, I've just go around the cardboard to make the circle. So we want it big enough so that we have a nice spinner, and yet not too big. Then we take a piece of paper and we make another 2 circles the same size, one for the front, one for the back of our cardboard. So we have 3 circles to cut out. I'm just going to begin doing this. And we'll cut the circles, and when we're finished, what we will do is do our decoration, color our circles however we want it. There's one, there's another. I would do my decorating before I started gluing my circles onto my cardboard. So after I finish these 2 circles, we'll just make some designs on our paper so that when it moves and spins, it might look special. So I'm just going to take and go around in a circle, around in a circle, just like that. That's all I've done with bright red. And then we could cut it in, color it in a little bit, maybe with another color. But you'll get the idea. You can decorate yours any way you would like. So now I have blue. Maybe that's all I'll use, blue and red. And then on the other side, I think I'll use yellow. And maybe I'll make a big star. Or something that looks like a star. There, that looks pretty much like a star. As you can't see on yellow, but there's one there, and we can make our design and have something on each side. So after you color it, then there, I have a bright yellow star. And maybe I'll take purple and just go around the edge so that we know that there's really a star there. A design. There, now you can see it better. Then we'll cut out our cardboard. Another circle. Now they're all the same size or very close to it. And when we're finished, we will take this cardboard and glue one of the papers on each side. And when you put the glue on, just glue all around so that the edges get covered too. All around like that. And then I'll place one of my colors on this circle. And then I'll rub it so that it's nice and tight. And I'll take the glue again on the other side of the cardboard and go all around so that the paper is sure to stick around the edges. That's important. Otherwise, it'll make a messy edge. We don't want that. Then I'll put this paper on. So now we have our cardboard in the middle and our two papers, one on either side. So that's how it looks. And then it should be glued all around the edge. And if there's a little edge that you would like to trim, now would be the time to do it so that your circles are all the same. That works pretty good. So there we are. Then you need a little, I thought a nail would be so good, but this is just a screw. We have to make 2 holes in the center. That's where our string will go. So what we need is to have Mom or Dad push that through the cardboard and have 2 circles in the center, big enough so that we can get our string through. And I don't think this really will work too well. So I'm going to have to use the point of my scissor, but you wouldn't want to do that. Mom or Dad would do that. And when we get the string in, what we'll do, I have a piece of yarn right here, and it's quite long, about this long, as long as your arms would like to go, to make it comfortable for you to spin. This might be a little too long. There we are. So we would start like that. And when our holes are finished, we will just put that string right through the holes. And tie it. Oh, now it's coming. This is a good job for Dad because sometimes it just doesn't go through as easily as you think. But I have 2 holes in there now. And I will take the edge of my string, put it through the hole, and then right through the next hole on the back. So it's stuck together. I'm going to poke it in there with my pencil so it will be sure to get in there easily. There, it's almost in. There. So then we pull the string so that it's equal on both sides. Just like that. Find the ends together and then tie a knot. Like that. Cut off a little bit of the piece. And then I pull one side of the string through and the other side is already here. And I put my hands in between and there is my spinner all ready to go. So we'll roll it. Let's see if it spins. To roll it a few times. Let's see. Ooh, it's going to. There it goes. It's starting. Yes. I can hear it hum. You can see it spinning. Ooh. Okay. That's a good spinner. I hope yours comes out just as well as mine did. And be sure to have Mom or Dad poke those holes in because that's tough for little fingers. Okay, see you next time.